Okay, here we are at the railroad tunnel of 1906. There was a shootout involving this because of a feud, and it never was finished. It's hand-cut tunnel. Let me show it to you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Anyhow, it was hand-cut and never finished, and there was a gunfight. So, but this is pretty interesting. You can see somebody painted graffiti, and they painted over it over here, but over there, there's American flag stands. But that is the tunnel. Let me see if I can zoom in to the other end. There you go. Well, this is just one adventure that we're going to have here in Alaska. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the adventure.